Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer BNB from Binance to Coinbase in 2025. Whether you're looking to diversify your holdings or simply move funds for better security, this step-by-step process will make it easy and stress-free. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Binance and Coinbase. If you don't, take a moment to create them and verify your identity. It's crucial for security in the crypto world. Once that's done, log into your Binance account. Head over to the Wallet section. Then select Spot Wallet or Fiat and Spot, depending on the interface, which might have updated by 2025. Next, find your BNB balance and click on Withdraw. This will open a form where you select BNB as the asset. Now, switch to your Coinbase account. Go to your wallet, select BNB or BEP20, ERC20 version, and copy the wallet address. Pro tip: double-check that the network matches. Binance might use BEP2 or BEP20, while Coinbase often defaults to ERC20, so choose wisely to avoid lost funds. Back on Binance, paste the Coinbase wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount you want to transfer, making sure it's above any minimum limits, and review the transaction fees. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for an extra layer of security before confirming. Hit Submit, and you'll get a confirmation email or notification. The transfer time can vary from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, log back into Coinbase and check your wallet for the incoming BNB. If everything looks good, you're all set. A few quick tips. Always verify wallet addresses to prevent scams. Keep an eye on gas fees if using Ethereum-based networks, and never share your private keys. There you have it. That's how to transfer BNB from Binance to Coinbase in 2025. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.